Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Aparthy hair growth serum, the supposed one-stop solution for a mane like Mufasa. It promises stronger, fuller hair from the roots and a total confidence boost with just a few minutes of daily use. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, usually, if it sounds too good to be true, it's probably just a scam in a fancy bottle. Let's look at the evidence. They claim over 91,000 happy customers, but their on-site reviews have all the variety of a North Korean election. When you check real sites like Trustpilot, the rating drops to a miserable 2.9 stars. Customers are reporting everything from receiving a mystery product called Hagoa to their orders vanishing into the void while the company plays hide-and-seek with their customer service emails. Then there's the prestige factor. They claim to be featured in the New York Times and the BBC, but a quick search reveals that's about as real as a $3 bill. These trust badges are basically digital stickers they gave themselves to look important. They also swear the serum is clinically backed to sprout baby hairs in just 7 days. Spoiler alert, there are no clinical reports, no studies, and no evidence. Just a lot of bold font and wishful thinking. Their sales tactics are equally refined, offering deals like buy 3, get 6 free. Because nothing says high-quality medical breakthrough like a clearance sale at a dollar store. To top it off, Google Lens caught them red-handed using stolen before and after photos from across the web. Apparently, they couldn't even find one real person whose hair actually grew back to show off. So, is Aparthy worth your money? Only if you enjoy lighting cash on fire. With fake reviews, ghosted customers, and stolen photos, this brand is a parade of red flags. If you're looking for a miracle, you'd have better luck wishing on a star than rubbing this mystery liquid on your scalp. Stay cautious, stay skeptical, and thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates.